Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Nagbabalik DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso and for our Biyaheng Undervalued. Ito na ang unang paraan para pahalagahan ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Practice self-respect. If you feel like you are being undervalued, do not allow them and walk away. Example, kung sa barkada mo merong isang gathering at hindi ka in-invite ng mga kala mo kaibigan mo, do not invite yourself in. Sure, you'll feel bad but at least you know na hindi sila yung mga tao that considers you as a vital part of their circle. Makakaramdam ka ng konting feeling of being left out but mababawasan ka ng mga maling taong paglalaanan ng maling pagpapahalaga. When you feel like you don't belong in a team and they make you feel like it, do not force yourself in. Have some self-respect. No one will ever value you if you don't value yourself. So kung gusto mong itrato ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo kung paano mo sila itrato, never settle for anything less than what you deserve. Klaro? Ikalawang paraan for people to value you and treat you with respect. Change your attitude. Do not be nice all the time. If you make yourself too available for everybody, my love, they won't value you. That's the honest and brutal truth. Kapag ikaw yung tipo ng tao na lagi nilang available kung kailangan nila whether or not, wala sila sa tabi mo, pag kailangan mo sila, you are devaluing yourself. Binibigyan mo sila ng idea na, ay okay lang yan, andyan lang naman yan palagi. So ox lang kahit di na natin siya masyadong pahalagahan. Stop being too nice. Everything, even kindness, is bad when it's too much. Ibigay mo yung effort mo sa mga taong worth it. Ipakita mo yung loyalty mo sa mga taong loyal sa'yo. Ipakita mo yung concern mo sa mga taong nakaka-appreciate sa ginagawa mo. If you give everything for free, you'll be left with nothing. And before you know it, ang hindi nila pagpapahalaga sa'yo becomes a habit. So stop. For you to change their ways, you must do a drastic change within. Stop being too kind. Klaro? Oras na para sa isa na namang ligaw na kaluluwa. Sure lang. Ito na ang ating biyahe sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at our IG account. Ayan, ito ang biyahe ni Princess. Hi po, good evening. Kailangan ko lang po ng payo nyo, DJ Lala. Tawagin nyo na lang po ako sa name na Princess. May karelasyon po ako. Ngayon po, nagkakalabuan na kami. Sinasabi niya, ayaw na daw po niya, pagod na siya. Masaya na siya dahil nakalaya na daw po siya sa akin. Malaki po ang kasalanan ko. Pero hindi po third party. Nasaktan ko po siya at napahiya. Tama lang po ba na palayain ko na siya o bigyan ko lang po siya ng time para makapag-isip-isip? Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Pa-advise naman po. Thank you. Una sa lahat, alamin mo yung gamit ng U, ng K. Ito na naman kasi tayo sa mga mga text message na ACUH. Yan ang spelling ng ako. Ano bang problema nyo sa simpleng spelling lang ng mga salita? Ba't kailangan ginagawa nyong komplikado? Yan yung una mong problema. Baguhin mo yan. Pero anyway, love, Princess, eto I'll go straight to the point, my love. Let him go. If you know na nagkamali ka and you are really sorry for what you've done, my love, you'll accept the consequences of your actions. Wala na kasi talaga tayo magagawa, Princess, kapag sagad na yung tao Sometimes sorry will never be enough to cover the pain we've caused them. So, being in that relationship is never going to be your choice anymore. Kahit pa kumapit ka, kung ayaw niya na talaga, wala na. So, Princess, just give him what he is asking of you. Kung happy na siya to be out of your relationship, then let him be, even if it pains you to do so. Yan ang love. That is love. Learn from this and never do anything you did sa relationship na to ever again. Hard lesson learned to para sa'yo, Princess, but I know you'll get through it. Just respect his decision and just let him be. Hindi mo na nga kailangan mag-let go kasi, Princess, as hard as it may sound, he is already gone. I-accept mo na lang. Ito yung isa sa mga moments sa buhay mo, Princess, na there's nothing more you can do but to say goodbye. Klaro? I hope, Princess, nakatulong ako sa iyo at I hope kunin mo to as a sign to actually move forward with your own life with the learnings na nakuha mo from this relationship. Ganun talaga eh. Sometimes we have to make a mistake in order for us to learn. At kung katulad ka ni Princess at ikaw ay may problema and you want some advice mula sa ating programa, all you have to do is do what you did. You can message me over my IG account, DJ Lala Banderas, my Facebook account, DJ Lala Banderas, and of course, you can always text our Biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. At nasa dulo na naman tayo ng ating biyahe for tonight na biyaheng undervalued. And before tayo tuluyang gumarahe, eto na ang huling paalala kung paano mo nga naman mabibigyan ng halaga ang sarili mo sa mata ng ibang tao. Don't try to please everybody. This is a mistake I've done multiple times in my life. Sa kagustuhan kong lahat mabaitan sa akin at lahat makita ako for who I am, I worked so hard to please everybody. I learned the hard way na this is not possible. Na in the end, maiiwan ako sa ere with no one to run to and no one to save me. That is why I became this tough. Hindi ba to? Just tough. If you are my friend, I'll tell you honestly and frankly what's wrong with you. And if you cannot take them, if you cannot handle them, then I am not the type of friend suited for you. And I became okay with that. Ganun ka din dapat, my love. Don't take the fall for everybody just to please them. Kahit saan ka man mapunta, sa school, sa work, in a relationship, you have to recognize faults and flaws. Don't own somebody else's mistake. Don't take the fall for people who won't take it for you. I am not asking you to be selfish, my love. I am asking you to value yourself. That is something that I wish I could have told myself long before. Claro? And that's it for us tonight, my love. I hope marami kayong natutunan on how to value yourself, how to give yourself some worth, how to respect yourself. Kasi the way we present ourselves is the way we want others to treat us. So kapag medyo ina-undervalue natin yung mga sarili natin, ina-oversell natin yung mga sarili natin, hindi tayo bibigyan ng halaga ng ibang tao. So I think that's it for us and I hope marami kayong natutunan. And if you want more learnings for sabihin na natin personal growth, you can always check out my previous episode ng Biyahe. Uploaded yan sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. Just go to playlist, hanapin nyo po ang Biyahe playlist. Okay? At syempre, you can always follow me on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika. Nakasama nyo po DJ Lala para sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night, everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! I love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.